Cilantro can remove 80% of heavy metals from the body within 42 days. Here is what you need to do. We can easily say that cilantro is one of the most effective and gentle detoxifiers of heavy metals and other toxic contaminants. You should also know that cilantro is also very useful and effective for extracting mercury from your body's organs. Note, the medical experts say that heavy metals have been linked to serious health problems such as cancer, heart disease, brain deterioration, emotional problems, kidney disease, lung disease, and weak bones. This super healthy vegetable is loaded with many healthy nutrients and minerals such as potassium, calcium, manganese, iron, and magnesium. It also contains high amount of vitamins A and K. It is also a proven antiseptic, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. It can help quickly reduce infection and inflammation as it works to clear your system. A group of experts at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, in New Delhi injected an antigen solution into the left hind paws of rats, producing inflammation and swelling similar to that seen in rheumatoid arthritis. How to use cilantro? The best way to use cilantro: this is probably the best inexpensive and extremely effective method you can do on a daily basis. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. You just have to blend a handful of fresh organic cilantro into your daily smoothie is one option. Add chopped cilantro to your dishes. Cilantro inflammation busting recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 cup packed chopped fresh organic cilantro, 1/2 cup organic apple juice, 1/2 cup water, 1 teaspoon wheatgrass powder or any other green powder. Directions: this homemade inflammation busting recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to put all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Enjoy. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.